Developers, beware! Your Python packages might be more dangerous than you think. Over 39,000 people unknowingly downloaded malicious code from PyPI. This image tells a shocking story. One malicious package hiding among legit ones, infecting systems silently. Researchers found 3 dangerous packages. bitcoinlibdbfix, 1,101 downloads, bitcoinlib-dev, 735 downloads, disgrasya, a massive 37,217 downloads. The attackers even joined GitHub discussions to trick users into downloading these fake fixes. Clever social engineering in action. The fake libraries overwrite the CLI command to secretly steal sensitive database files from your system. Disgrasya, on the other hand, is openly malicious. It simulates real shopping behavior to validate stolen credit cards, without triggering fraud systems. It adds items to cart, fills forms with stolen data, and submits them all automatically. Then it sends everything to an attacker-controlled server. Be cautious, always inspect unknown packages. Use tools like Socket and Reversing Labs to scan before installing. Stay one step ahead of cyber threats. Subscribe to Nythera Network for weekly security deep dives.